differential, but that is not discrimination, right? That's why Annette is giving higher salary, right? So then what can be the answer here? Annette is a woman and Justin is a man. It means women are given higher salary than men, which is discrimination, right? We have to pick the discrimination, but that is logical. Those who have higher experience get higher salary. Yes, that's logical. Those who have college degree will be getting more salary. That's logical. D is all above, so D cannot be the answer. Only answer is the discrimination. The question says that find out the discrimination. So this is the discrimination. Understand? Okay, now answer this question. Very important. So Joe is a white 23 years old male. Mike is also a 23 years old but black. Both Joe and Mike are economics majors and they graduated from the same college with the same year, same GPA. Joe and Mike both got jobs at a brokerage firm after graduating from college. They both work equally hard, which means there is no compensating differentials. There is no ability, chance, and effort. There is no human capital and signaling. And there is no, of course, superstar. Joe earns 38,000 a year. Mike earns 30,000 a year. Select the best possible explanation of this wage differential.
Is the answer D?
Very nice. Right? Because you see there is no, everything is equal. Even then you see discrimination. Yes, that is a discrimination. Right? And who is getting discriminated? It's Joe or Mike. So black male is discriminated. True, false. Profit maximizing competitive firms will not discriminate in their hiring workers unless consumer exercise a preference for discrimination or the governments mandate the discrimination. True, false. It's true.
True.
Or false. Very nice. It's true.
True.
Right? Because discrimination cannot persist until consumer wants, customer wants, or until government mandates that. That's the end of our lecture. So there's no assignment I'm giving you. So next class is going to be our final exam. I have already uploaded the practice questions. On Blackboard under a link name like practice question. So you need to download the practice question, and each file, each chapters, there are like more than 500 practice questions. So you can practice according to your own pace. So I don't, require you to practice each and every question. Just practice up to your own, ability or up to your own pace, if you can do that, right? So every chapter, multiple choice question and true, false, and regarding other short questions, I have already uploaded for your practice as well. Okay. Any question? If no question, then we are going to end our lecture.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, no more question, then take care. See you in our exam. What I wish for you is good luck. See you on exam day. Have a nice day. Have a nice weekend. Best of luck and advance Christmas to you guys and advance Happy New Year.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye-bye.